the blissfully dead, looking for the vintage shivering bed, searching out fear in the gathering gloom, and suddenly movement in the corner of the room, and there is nothing I can do. When I realize you're right, that Spider-Man is having me for dinner tonight. Quietly laughs, shaking his head, creeps closer now, closer to the foot of the bed, and softer than a shadow and quicker than flies. His arms are around me and his tongue in my eyes. Still calm and quiet now, my precious boy. Don't struggle like that, I will only love you more, but it's much too